The Kodiak Briteband Beanie combines a wide-angle headlamp with a warm beanie-style cap. Let's take a closer look. Inside the box is the Briteband Beanie, a charging cable, and an instruction insert. The headlamp is rechargeable, so it's best to charge it fully before first use. Push the power switch assembly through the hat opening and pull back the port cover. Insert the included charging cable into a USB power source, such as a power bank or wall charger, and the USB-C plug into the charging port. Blinking blue lights indicate charging is underway. Charging is complete when all 4 lights are solid blue. A full charge can take up to 2 hours. Insert the power switch assembly back into the opening. Pressing the power button repeatedly cycles through the high, low, and flashing white light modes, plus off. High is 240 lumens with a 3.5-hour runtime and a 31-meter light throw. Low is 120 lumens with a 6-hour runtime and a 22-meter light throw. White flashing has a 7.5-hour runtime. Long pressing the power button activates the red flashing mode, which features an 8-hour runtime. Long press it again to turn it off. You may simultaneously operate the front-facing headlamp in any mode with the rear-facing red lights. Press the power button to select your desired headlamp mode, and then long press the power button to add red flashing. To machine wash the beanie, remove the headlamp and the power switch assembly. Flip the headlamp brim down and slide the light out. Push the control box in and remove both items. Reinsert them back into the clean, dry beanie when ready. The Briteband Beanie provides great visibility while walking, jogging, or cycling. Keep one in your vehicle in the event of a roadside emergency. It's great to wear while camping, and cap it off by keeping one in your workshop.